Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to pay with Klarna on Airbnb. First, open the Airbnb website or app and sign into your account. Once you are logged in, start searching for the place where you want to stay. Enter your destination, travel dates, and the number of guests. After that, browse through the available listings and choose the property that fits your needs and budget. When you find the place you want, click the Reserve button. Airbnb will now take you to the checkout page where you can review your booking details. Make sure the dates, guest information, and total price are correct before moving forward. Now scroll down to the payment section. Here you will see the available payment methods. If Klarna is supported for your booking and location, you will see an option called Pay Over Time with Klarna. Select that option to continue. After choosing Klarna, a new window or pop-up will appear. You may be asked to log in to your Klarna account. Once you are signed in, Klarna will show you different payment plans. Depending on your eligibility, you may see options like pay in 4 or monthly financing. Choose the payment plan that works best for you and carefully review the terms. After accepting the Klarna terms, you will be redirected back to Airbnb. Finally, click Finalize Reservation to complete your booking. Thanks for watching.